Okay, Sam and I were just looking for a bakery that we went to yesterday to go to today and have some coffee pastries, but it's sadly closed because it's Monday. So we're looking for a new place to go get some breakfast.
Absolutely gutted.
Yeah. We found a replacement to go to. It is pretty good, I have to say.
We found the Lammas Rock and we can't even go to it today.
I know, but this place is pretty good, Peter Cafe. Now we're gonna head to one of the basilicas, churches in the area.
Yeah.
Sam will give a better description when we get there,
yeah,
because I don't really read into any of these things, but he's a lot more interested. So, cut to
a lot
then.
more cultured.
Yeah, I guess so.
So the Basilica of St Michael is a Gothic church in the centre of the St Michael district of Bordeaux. It was built between the 14th and 16th centuries, so the 1300s and 1500s. Although the stained glass windows are newer because they were destroyed in 1940 by, I think, shockwaves from bombs, and you can see they do look a bit more newer in style. Still really beautiful though. And in I think in the late 1700s, at the end of the 1700s, an old Gallo Roman crypt was found underneath the tower, and so until 1979. Over 60 of these naturally mummified bodies that were found were put on exhibit in the crypt under the basilica. It's quite cheesy.
We just picked up a baguette and some fruit, hummus, and Sam got some cheese, and we're gonna just find a place to go have like a picnic lunch. Yeah. Sam is in his element at the park.
There's benches, we can sit on the bench. If I lived in Bordeaux, I'd come here every day.
Is the hummus good? Yeah. Oh, one's coming through. Look. Now they're all gonna follow. Oh, we got a little
train going.
Train of ducks.
Coming over here to graze.
Our main quest
this
today.
Is just the prologue.
Our main quest is to go get a croissant from Michel Mavel again. But yesterday we went and they didn't have it, so we settled.
They were closed on Monday and Tuesday. We only tried it on Sunday, so please, yeah. I'm hoping that we won't have only been able to try it once.
We settled for strawberries and cream. What was it?
Strawberry shortcake.
And brookie, which was good, but.
First impressions of Bordeaux.
Yeah, what do you think?
So I think there's a lot of streets that are really pretty. There's a lot of buildings that kind of look like typical Parisian buildings with sort of black, almost stretched out square roofs.
Balconies, like little...
Nice balconies, yeah. And I do think there are some towns that are prettier, like especially there's loads in Eastern Europe and the Balkans that are really nice, like Azora in Montenegro.
Yeah.
And then some in Spain, like Salamanca in Spain. It's just really beautiful. So
But for France,
For
is this your
France?
favorite so far? Or have you
I don't
been to
know,
others
I've
you
been
like?
to France for years, so I'm not really sure. But as far as European cities go, it's pretty good.
Yeah, I like it. It's my second time, so it's not my first impression, but
Really-
we've seen
really
more
cheap
of it
cheese.
this time. Yeah, Sam's been loving the cheese. I should have been filming all the cheese you've been eating.
Yeah.
But yeah, I do like it. I don't know, I haven't seen much more of France either, but I think it is nice for like a short stay. Couple days I think would be good to see this city. We've walked into an utter catastrophe. It's closed.
Let me just look at. We didn't check Google.
So we realized
We didn't check Google.
that they open at 10 and it's 9. So we're gonna go for a walk, come back, and then I have a perfume making class that I have to make for 10:25. So we're gonna squeeze in our croissant before I go to that,
I don't know.
hopefully.
Anyway, so I might stop.
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go to the river now.
This is pretty cool.
Stumbled upon a flea market. Well, we did in fact get one, but it wasn't the one we had hoped for, sadly.
So, we realised we just asked for croissants, not croissant avec
Almonds.
glaçage amande. But we got them, and now we've actually got a croissant with the almond icing, as you can see here,
And chocolate.
which is
Oh, yeah.
really, really
Wait.
good.
Yeah.
And a pan au chocolat with the same thing.
Wait,
But
is
I've
it not?
only got 2 hands, so
Oh, nice. Oh, okay, I'm excited.
yeah.
Okay, anyway.
which one do you want
Let's
to start with?
You can take whatever one you want to start with. There's like a filling in the middle that's really good. That's just basically sugar and butter, probably.
With almonds.
With almonds, yeah. It's really good though. I think we're gonna be on a sugar high after this.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Really good.
See. Nice. We're rushing off a bit now to get to this perfume making class on time. And Sam's gonna go to a museum on his own, but yeah, I'm on a bit of a sugar high, I think, already.
Already?
Yeah. So we just got back from the perfume making shop, or class, and Sam went to the museum, and this is my perfume. I think I like how it turned out. It's like vanilla coconutty. And what did you think of the museum?
I thought it was really well done. There was a lot of Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic artifacts.
And cavemen activities.
That's what I just said.
Okay. Well,
But yeah,
normal
lots of
people.
stuff because there's a lot of Magdalene, I think it's pronounced, architecture. Not architecture, artifacts around this area of France. Like stuff from the Lascaux caves themselves. So there's a lot to see, which I really enjoyed.